Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Toni, and if this is your first time stopping by, you're definitely welcome. So today we're going to be trying this challenge that is currently trending on YouTube. Tiara tried following Jackie Aina. Toni Olaoye tried following Patrick Star, and guess what, guys? Guess who I'm trying to follow today is the one and only Toni. Let me just say this: Toni has inspired my makeup journey, guys. When I started makeup, I always used to go on a channel and learn how to, do my brows. Her brows are so lit. Contour my face. God, oh my God, guys, I love her lips. So yeah, so I tried to follow the person that inspired me. Guys, of course, keep in mind that you don't need to have all of the same products you use. You can also use your products. It's okay. It's just a challenge. So Toni, shout out to you, and I hope you see this video because, girl, I love you so much. So now, guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and drop your comment. Drop those sweet comments. I love seeing them, guys. Please drop your comment. Tell me if I nailed this challenge or not. And of course I know I will, but please like, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video.
Without further ado, let's get right into it.
Yeah, let's get right into the video. Guys, I'm gonna be using this spoolie, and I'll be using this brow pencil by MAC to draw my brows.
This is spoolie, and basically brush up my hair so the product can blend in. Into the same
I'm going to be using this spoolie to fill in my brows. I'm going to be using warm honey to clean up my brows.
I'm basically like applying my brows.
My dog is crazy, guys. Hey guys, I really need to apologize about the sunlight. I don't know, the sunlight's kind of on my skin and parts of my face. I don't really understand. I hope this video comes out well because I really want this video to be perfect. And sorry about the background too, guys. I moved out from my apartment, so just have to deal with it. So now I'm just gonna clean this up and make sure my brows are popping, just like Toni's. So she went ahead and used the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Thank God I have this, so I'm gonna apply this on my eyelid.
To eyeshadow, I'm basically going to use my Urban Decay primer potion and apply this all over my eyelids, and then I'm going to go ahead and use a band-aid. Yes, a band-aid.
I'm gonna be using this orange for my transition color.
I'm going to go in with this lovely burgundy shade from Makeup Forever, and I'm going to go ahead and mix it up with my orange shade that I use as a transition shade. Please ignore this boy in the background.
Okay guys, I think I applied too much orange as my transition shade, but that's okay. I'm only just trying to follow her. Anyways, I don't have the other color, the other burgundy color she used, but I'm gonna be using this color from the JUVIA'S palette. So now we're going in with this red color. So moving on, I'm going to be using this MAC gel liner to apply that to the outer corner of my eyes and the inner corner of my eyes, guys. God, this is really so scary. I've never tried a smoky eye look, before, but I don't know how this is gonna come out. I hope I don't ruin this. So she went ahead. Okay, she went ahead and applied it also in the middle. Okay. Alright. This is it, guys. I'm just gonna blend it all in. Yes, I think I nailed it.
When you with my white concealer, I'm going to apply that in the middle where I have put his face, and then I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out a little bit more. And I'm going to.
Okay, so guys, I don't have the white concealer she used, but I do have this NYX jumbo eye pencil, so this will work either way. So I'm just gonna put this in the middle. I'm gonna go in with this Star Glass Diamond eyeshadow by Olaoye and apply that.
This Eggplant Artist shadow by Makeup Forever, and just apply this on top.
So now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and use this purple glitter. It has no name, and I'll be using this L.A.GIRL eye glitter gel. Just gonna apply this purple glitter in the middle. Now guys, now that I'm done applying the purple glitter, I'm just gonna blend it in properly. Let's go. Now I'm gonna be using this Maybelline eyeliner. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the Magnum Volume Express Waterproof Eyeliner by Maybelline and apply this on my lashes. So I'm gonna use my L.A.GIRL primer to prime my face. I'll be using this L.A.GIRL orange corrector on my under eye, my dark
spots, my dark circles, my girl stash, almost everywhere, and I'm going to go ahead and blend.
And I'll be using this damn cute blender to blend it all in. And for my foundation, I'm gonna be I'm gonna be using the L.A.GIRL foundation. Finally. Oh my god, I didn't just do that. Foundation on my lashes, guys. Oh my god.
Foundation, I'm using my Marc Jacobs Junior's Gel Foundation in a 4 medium cocoa, and I'm going to use my Blue Techniques beauty sponge to basically just blend this all over my face. And
I'm gonna be using concealer by Maybelline. Thank God I have it. I'll go ahead and apply this on my highlight areas, the bridge of my nose, my jaw, and my forehead.
I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 medium as usual.
Just gonna blend it all in with my beauty blender. I'm gonna go ahead and use this SACHA Buttercup setting powder to set my face. And usually I would say I usually contour my nose and my cheekbones before setting my concealer, but that's okay. Let's do it, guys.
My highlight, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm going to apply this underneath my eyes and on my nose.
I'm gonna be using this dark cocoa by L.A.GIRL to contour my cheekbones, my nose, my temples.
The shade dark cocoa, and I'm going to apply this on my nose, my temples, and my cheekbones.
Now, so guys, I'm gonna dust off the excess powder. I didn't know when Toni did that part, but maybe I skipped it. It's never too late though. So to highlight, I'm gonna be using the MAC Gold Deposits. I'm gonna be highlighting with the top of my cheeks, my nose, my brow bone, my forehead, and my jaw.
I'm using my Bobbi Brown highlight in the shade Bronze Glow, and I'm going to apply this to the top parts of my cheeks, my nose, and on my cupid's bow as well.
Okay, this highlighter is a shit. Do you see that?
Oh my god!
Oh my god! I love this
highlight. Like,
I'm gonna dust off this excess powder I have underneath my contour. I sound perfectly like Toni. Oh my god. I should really be a sister. What do you guys think? Maybe I'm a sister. Toni, are you sure? Now I look exactly just like you. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this brown pencil by MAC to line my lips. And because Toni's lips usually look overdrawn, so I'm gonna try and do that too. Actually, that's been my favorite look these days. I just feel like it makes your lip puff and kissable. Okay guys, so my lips, I'm gonna be using this lipstick by Kylie in the shade True Brown K. I'm gonna be using True Brown K by Kylie. For my under eye, I did not have the kajal to use, but I'm gonna be using this eye pencil by MAC for my under eye. This part usually gets me, you guys. I don't know. Don't cry, baby girl, don't cry. Happy Women's Day. Happy Women's Day, guys. It was yesterday, but yeah. Happy Women's Day. You guys are the shit. I'm also going to be using this mascara by MAYBELLINE for my bottom lashes. Now I'm just going to go ahead and spray my face with this NYX Full Finish spray. Okay, now guys, this is the final look. And I hope you all love this look. It was actually really easy and simple, and I came out looking bomb as fuck. Oh my god, guys, I love this look. I so love this look, and I hope I nailed this challenge. Comment down below if you think I did, and thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, drop your comments. They're all important, and I hope to catch you on my next video. Sign out, tune.
Holy fire, holy water, holy money, only money, only money, only money. We are woody fire, woody thunder, only money, only money.